Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Kodi player on your mobile phone. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me at WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. Let's start the video. First you need to open a downloader app. After this, click on search bar and enter the code that I entered 298344. After that, wait for 5 seconds. Now you can see that many IPTV apps. You can scroll down and download your favorite app. You can also install IPT Smart Pro and TV Mat. To install Kodi Player, click on Kodi Play stable version. Now you can see that the Kodi Play is starting installing. Thanks for watching, and if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me at WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. Thanks again.